To turn off private accounts on TikTok. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your TikTok application from your device and get logged into your TikTok account. Now, in order to turn off your private account on your TikTok, tap on three bar icon on your top right, then go on to settings and privacy. Under account, you will see the option that says privacy. Tap open it, and if you have toggled on the private account, untoggle it, and this will switch your account to a public account. Also be noted that if you switch your account to a public account, anybody will be able to see you and follow you. If you would like to do so, then tap on to switch, refresh your page, and that is how you can switch your account from private to public. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this.